out there watching?
No one. So we're gonna play this game that we just came up with. We don't have a name for it. You guys can come up with one.
The 2 people that watch our
Anyways,
videos.
we're gonna make weird noises, and whoever laughs first loses.
Can we like take a second and like get ourselves together? We need to like
okay.
put this somewhere. Okay, I'll just put it. You cracked first.
No, it was at the same time. We can play it back. Alright, let's start over. That's you.
Because you do that like Asian thing. Okay. Get.
Okay, wait. Okay. Stop laughing. Alright.
Okay.
I didn't even do anything.
I don't know why it's so funny. Why do we make this game? Okay.
Okay.
I didn't even go.
I was laughing at my own. Okay. It wasn't even just the noise, it was your face, like... Okay.
Does that count as a noise?
No. You, like, cleared your throat, and you're laughing, you lose. What the hell? What are you doing? Okay. No.
That's what you did. Oh my god, you spit on me.
I'm sorry. Just the sounds together. Okay.
Wait, can we do those again?
What?
Yeah.
Okay. That, you can't do that again. It's like cheating. Stop! Okay. This is the best idea ever.
It was your idea.
I wasn't being sarcastic. Anyways.
Oh.
Okay, last noise. Make it your best one.
Oh god. Go.
I'm dying. You gotta turn it off before they see me abusing you.